Welcome to a brand new Siri Shortcuts tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom shortcut that will find any app in the App Store and download the artwork and allow you to save it. This is a bit of a longer video, but if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you how you can get your hands on my shortcuts, as well as show you a more advanced version I created offline. The first thing you want to do is open the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus sign to create a new shortcut. This is the interface that you'll see. Notice the search field on the right. To begin adding actions, I'll place my cursor into the search field and type text. I want to provide the user with instructions on what the shortcut does and how to use it. So I'll type text into the search field. And once I find what I want, I'll tap on it. The text box will appear on the left-hand side. I'll begin typing some text. The reason I'm using a text box rather than putting the text directly into an alert message, for example, is because I can more easily control the formatting of the text when I go to use it. Keep watching and I'll explain that in a little bit. I've added some text to a text box. Now I need to get that text so I can do something with it. I'm going to place it in an alert message, asking the user if they want to continue. So I'll tap Get Text into the search field so I can grab the text from the text box. Notice that there was a line that appeared in between the Get Text action and the text box. This means that these two actions are connected. Next, I need to do something with the text. So I'll tap Show Alert because I'm going to put this text into an alert message. By default, the alert says, "Do you want to continue?" This is okay, however, I want to use the text above as well. So if I tap into the field where it says, "Do you want to continue?" and place the cursor at the beginning, you'll see the blue line appear just above the keyboard. This is the area where the variables are kept. I've discussed this in past videos. I'm going to choose the variable that says text. Now, whatever text is in the box will appear in the alert message along with the statement, "Do you want to continue?" ? This is the message that you will see. Notice that there needs to be some additional formatting done. I need to put a space in between the words "it" and "do" to make it look better. So I'll place my cursor in the text box and place two spaces. This does two things. The first is it places a period at the end of the sentence and puts a space before the question, "Do you want to continue?" I'll tap on Done and let's continue building the shortcut. The next thing I need to do is ask the user for some input once they tap on OK. So I'll type Ask for Input into the search field and tap on Ask for Input. This action allows me to get input from the user and do something with it. It says Ask for Text with Prompt. Text is the type of input you want, in this case, an app name. And the prompt is a question that the user is going to see when the dialog box appears. I'm going to use, "What app are you looking for?" Make sure that you use proper punctuation in these statements because this is what the user will see on screen. Don't forget periods or question marks. The next thing I need to do is search the App Store for the name of the app that the user inputs. I'm actually going to create a variable called app name using the set variable action. This is my variable name, which will be app name. Using variables allows the user to specify the information that you need. This will make your shortcuts smarter. Now I'll search the App Store. And I'll tap on Search App Store, and it will appear below my last action. When I tap into the field, I'll select my variable called app name from the blue area. Now notice those two actions are connected. As you create a shortcut, you might notice that certain variable names will turn red. They should be blue if they're working properly. This is happening because the set variable action is below the search app store action. Just long press on your actions and you can drag them up or down to change the order. Now you see the app name variable turns blue, which means it's working properly once again. Now if I tap on Show More, I can make some changes to the search results. By default, 25 items are shown, but I only want to show one item, in other words, the exact match for the app that I'm looking for. So I'll tap on the minus sign until that field reads one item, because we only want one app icon at a time. Now I need to get the details of that app, so I'll type get details into the search field on the right hand side. The action I'm looking for is called get detail from App Store apps, which will take the search results from the search App Store action and return a specific piece of information about that result. This is what allows you to save the artwork. I'll swipe down and tap on Get Detail from App Store Apps, and you'll see that it appears on the left hand side and is connected to the Search App Store action. So I'll just tap in the detail box, and in this case, since I only want the artwork, I can choose the artwork detail. So it says get artwork from App Store apps. To run a shortcut, just tap on the play icon in the upper right hand corner. There's the instruction message. Tap on OK. Then type an app name from the App Store. I'm going to type Siri shortcuts. Then tap on Done. Notice that a Show Results box has appeared by default, showing the app icon for Siri shortcuts. When I save this image, it will be smaller. Now that we have the artwork and it's displayed properly, we need to save it. So I'll place my cursor back in the search field and type Save File, because the app artwork is an actual file, and in order to use it, you need to save it. I'll tap on Save File, and by default you can see that iCloud Drive is used and the option of Ask Where to Save is turned on. I'm going to leave this turned on because it makes the shortcut smarter by allowing the user to choose where they want to save the file. And as you can see, The save file action is connected to the get app detail action. The next thing I want to do is show another alert message which tells the user that the shortcut has completed successfully and the artwork has been downloaded. And then the next thing I need to do is exit the shortcut. This shuts the shortcut down. It takes a result, so I'll just use the app name. Let's test the shortcut one more time. Tap on the play icon in the upper right hand corner. Tap OK. Then tap on app name. In this case, I'm just going to use shortcuts to show you that you don't always need to use the full app name. And there's the shortcuts app icon, so I'll tap on iCloud Drive and then tap on the new folder icon in the upper right hand corner of this dialog. I'll give my folder a name, App Icons. And then I'll tap Done in the upper right hand corner. The new folder has been created and is highlighted. To rename the image, all I have to do is tap where it says Image 2 and give the image a name. Siri shortcuts. This will make it easier to find later. There's the message saying that the artwork has been downloaded and saved. Once I tap on OK, the shortcut will exit. If I run the shortcut once more and type a random word into the app name field, you'll notice that any app containing that combination of characters will appear. I'll just type the word hi and then tap on Done. Notice that this app appears. I have no idea what this app is. If I tap on OK, the shortcut will exit. Tap the three dots next to the new shortcut name. First, I'm going to name the shortcut. For now, I'll call it Get App Art, but you'll notice later in the video that I've updated and changed the name. Just type a name here. Now let's take a look at another example where I type the word hello in the app name field. I have no idea what this app is called and I don't want to save it, so I can just tap on cancel and the icon won't be saved. If I switch to my phone, you'll notice that I've updated this app. This is the final version. So I'll go to my shortcuts folder, open it up, and I'll tap once on the download app icon. There's the instructions for running the app, and as you can see, I've formatted the text a little bit better, which is the reason why I originally used a text box rather than placing the message directly into the show alert prompt. I'll tap on OK. I've also added a menu which allows the user to open the App Store, search for an app in the App Store, and then find the icon they're looking for before they run the shortcut. Using this version, you'll know that you have the right shortcut. This is the new menu. I'll take out the default text, which is an app name, just a reminder to the user to enter the name of the app they're looking for. In this case, I'm going to look for the app called iMovie. I know what the icon looks like, so I'll be able to tell right away if the shortcut is working properly. There's the iMovie icon saved in the Files app. I'll rename the image so that I can find it in the Files app. I'll type iMovie, and of course when I hit the spacebar, it will be inputted correctly. I'm going to call it iMovie icon. And there's the message that says the shortcut was completed successfully. I'll close the shortcut and run it again, and this time I'll show you what happens if you need to locate an app first before you use the shortcut. If I select No, Open App Store, this will open the App Store first. When I tap OK, the App Store will launch. This is the App Store. So let's search for an app called VN. I'll tap on search and type the app name VN into the search field, and I'll tap on the first result. This is the icon I'm looking for and the one I want to save. As you can see, I've already got it installed, but now that I know what the icon looks like, I can close the App Store and run the shortcut. I'll open the shortcut again, and I'll tap OK on the instructions. I'll tap Yes, continue with this shortcut. Remove the default text from the app name input box and type VN, capital V, capital N, and then I'll tap on Done. And there's the VN app icon saved in the app icons folder. I'll change the name to VN icon so I can find it inside the Files app. Once I'm done, I'll tap on Done, and then tap on Save. I'll tap OK, and the shortcut will exit. Now I'm going to open the Files app to show you that all the icons I saved during the tutorial are actually inside the App Icons folder on my iCloud drive. So I'm going to tap on Browse, and then iCloud Drive, and open the App Icons folder. And there's the iMovie, InShot, Video Leap, and VN icons that I saved using this shortcut, so it actually works. If you'd like to use my shortcut, the link will be available in the video description. Just make sure that you have Allow Untrusted Shortcuts turned on inside your Shortcuts app so that it will download and install correctly. You can get access to both shortcuts I've shown you in the description below. For more great tutorials like this one, check out the links in the video description or one of these recommended videos.